Hi, welcome to Business Central Launch Edition 2025 Release Wave 2. Today we will speak about new functionality in sustainability value chain. So this is something what we extended. We started with value chain previous release, but now we have value chain in the projects. So we will show you all this in details. My name is Aleksandar Totovic, a product manager, and I have my colleague with me today.
Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Bang. I am also a product manager working with Totovic.
Thank you. So what is about? Earlier, in the beginning, we had sustainability journal, general journal. We could create sustainability ledger entries. Then we extended this with the purchase invoices, credit memos. So everything was about emission reporting for environmental impact. But then we extended it. We enabled this value chain automation for carbon footprint embedded. So this is something what we already introduced in previous wave. This is much more for brand reputation, for tracking inside the company. So in the beginning, we had for purchase invoices, for transfer orders, assembly orders, production orders, of course, sales invoices as well. But now we extended with the projects. You can track these with a project journal and a purchase invoice. By purchase invoice, if you're using project number. So what are business values? With this functionality, we'll really cover end-to-end Scope 3 coverage. So we will not be focused only on supply chain, but on projects as well. So it will be available. We will have flexible emission projects. It will definitely improve and streamline your compliance reporting with the Business Central. How does it work? It is important to remember it doesn't work with all gases, only with the carbon equivalent. So even if you're using different gases emissions, system will calculate these to carbon equivalent and use only this information in a value chain. So you can post emissions using project journal or purchase invoice. When you post purchase invoice for project, you will get two lines. One will be purchase, another will be negative adjustment entry. System will use negative adjustment entry to enter into sustainability value entry. It will be, once when you finish, where information will be exposed on a project statistic. So you can run project statistic and you can find in the task lines. To enable, you need to open sustainability setup to find procurement fast tab and to enable tracking into value chain. So that's it. You just enable this one field and everything will be automatically enabled. So you just need to enter information. So now, Jacob, you will show how it looks like in a demo.
Thank you. So let's show quickly how the value chain in projects actually works. We'll start with the sustainability setup. And what you'll need to do here is go to procurement. And for this example, we'll just enable all the capabilities. Take a second. And let's go to items. And here we'll find the well-known demo data for the Athens desk. And now we'll have the Sustainability Fast Hub available to us. You can see it here on the screen. We'll set in a standard account number. We'll add a default number for our CO2 emissions. And we'll calculate the total CO2. Now let's go to resources. Here we have Catherine. And she now also has the sustainability hub. We'll add the account. We'll set a default number for her as well and calculate the total CO2. Now let's look at the project. We'll go to project journals. Here we will do a test. This is the posting. We'll set a number of hours for Catherine. And here we'll find the item And this is for the Athens desk. And similar to before, we will put in a number here for 2 pieces. After that, we post it. It'll just take a second. Now we have them posted. So we'll go to projects. Here's our project. And if we scroll over here, we'll see that we have a number of posts associated here. This is the test that we just did. We can dive into the different attributes in the line items. And if we go back here, we can actually look at the project and the statistics. And this will basically show the calculations of everything that's been done as it relates to the workflow. That was it.
Yeah. Thank you, Jakob. Before we close this session, I would like to remind you to all these links to find important and interesting information about Busy Central. You can use them. Do not forget, subscribe on our LinkedIn channel to find all weekly news and other announcements about Busy Central, and watch other videos, not only this one, because in this release we have many of sustainability, interesting functionality, not only sustainability, other features as well for this edition, from previous editions. So remember, AKMSBC YouTube. Thank you for watching this video.